Why aren't more people talking about this miracle tea? Let's dive into the magic of Camphoravalli Masala Tea. Camphoravalli, also known as wild thyme or ajwain, is packed with medicinal properties that can help soothe coughs and colds. Ready to brew some comfort in a cup? Start with 8 thoroughly washed Camphoravalli leaves. Crush 2 cardamom pods and 10 black peppercorns. Add 2 slices of ginger and grind them all together. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of milk and 1.5 cups of water. Add the Camphoravalli leaves and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Heat until it simmers. Add 2 tablespoons of black tea powder and your freshly ground spice mix. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. Bring it all to a boil, then remove from heat and stir in 4 tablespoons of sugar, or adjust to taste. Strain into your favorite cup and enjoy hot. Sweeten with honey for added health benefits if you like. Sip and let the warmth and spices work their magic. Stay cozy and get well soon.